Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Ramune, classic Japanese sour candies. If you have ever tried them, they melt and end with bit fizziness. They are amazingly addictive candies. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. You need lemon juice and citric acid. I think you can find it on Amazon. Mix until somewhat blended. Then you need powdered sugar, cornstarch, and last but not least, baking soda. Mix well with your hand. If it is too dry, you want it to add water. A drop at a time, or you can moisten your hand with half teaspoon of water at a time. Check if it becomes warm but crumbles. You don't want to add too much water, it becomes fizzy and plumps up. I will show you in the end of the video. Now you want to squeeze and condense and push into a mold to shape. Yes, you can change the shape by using a different mold, and also you can change the color by adding the food colorings. Dry them out completely for a day, and now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
おいしい。
これが猫じゃん、これ。
こっちのね、ちょっとね、お水を入れすぎて膨張しちゃった方もなかなか美味しいですが、やっぱりお水入れすぎないように気をつけて作ってください。サクサク感もシュワシュワ感も入れすぎない方が断然いいので。はい。
くっつけてる。くっついてる。
いただきます。いただきます。
くっついてる。
美味しいです。